It's gonna be a party dahil Ibulaga na!
Happy Tuesday, mga Dabber Cats! At espesyal ang tanghalian natin ngayon dahil meron tayong Dabber Cats na nagba-birthday!
Wow! Iba talaga pag may birthday, may party!
May party! Tama, mamalan. Kaya, Team Studio, ready na ba makipara?
Ready na ba talaga?
Ready na!
Kasi kung ready kayo, ready na rin siya. Ito ng ating birthday girl, Dabber Cats, May Mendoza!
Bum bum dee-dum, bum bum dee-dum, bum. Dee-dum, bum bum dee-dum, bum. Bum bum dee-dum, bum.
Happy birthday, May! Uy, alam nyo, si May,
Ano po?
mahilig yan kumanta.
Ay, sobra!
Ay,
Meron ka bang ebidensya?
ito.
Asan?
Tingnan nyo. Ito, oh.
Galing nga!
Wala pa. Kita nyo?
Ang husay talaga.
Lahat na lang ng singers na kanta na niya. From Beyonce to Jaya.
Taob sila lahat, mamalan.
Oo. Alam mo, si Jaya, nung mag-duet sila, si Jaya nang hiram ng mukha sa iba. Kaya naman today, playlist ng ating birthday girl ang sound trip natin.
Ready na ang party, people. Simulan na natin ang birthday party. Happy birthday, May!
There is freedom within, there is freedom without, trying to catch a deluge in a paper cup.
There's a battle ahead, many battles are lost, but you will never see the end of the road while you're traveling with me.
Hey now,
Don't dream it's over. Hey now,
when the world comes in, they come to build a wall between us. You know they won't win. Now I'm walking again to the beat of a drum, and I'm counting the steps to the door of yours. Only shadows ahead, barely clearing the roof. Get to know the feeling of liberation and release. Hey now, don't dream it's over. Hey now, when the world comes in, they come to build a wall between us. You know they won't win. Happy birthday, Ate May!
Birthday!
Here's our next song for you. Anyone who ever held you tell you the way I'm feeling. Anyone who ever wanted you will try to tell you what I feel inside.
The only thing I ever wanted was the feeling that you ain't faking. The only one you ever thought about. Wait a minute, can't you see that I wanna fall from the stars straight into your arms? I feel you. I hope you comprehend. I wanna fall from the stars straight into your arms. I feel you. I hope you comprehend. We get it almost every night. And when that old moon gets so big and bright, it's a supernatural delight. Everybody was dancing in the moonlight.
Everybody here is out of sight. They don't bargain, they don't buy. They keep things loose, they keep them right. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and right. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Everybody here is out of sight. They don't bark and they don't buy. They keep things loose, they keep things right. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and right. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and right. Such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and right. Such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and right. Such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight.
Mga Dapper Cats, Daryl Shanes and Danny, Lucky Robles and Dapper Cats Karen Aistra!
Happy birthday, Mengay!
Happy birthday!
Narinig niyo yung mga ilan sa mga favorite songs ni ating birthday girl na si Maine. Ito pa ang isang song para kay Maine. Music!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Maine! Age reveal!
Age reveal.
Ha?
Nasa 19.
Ako 12.
1995.
Ito,
Error.
31!
Last day sa kalendaryo.
Nasa kalendaryo pa naman.
Pasok pa, pasok pa.
Kahit lumampas naman, nasa bingo pa eh.
Happy birthday, Maine. O, bati kayo, bati.
Main, happy birthday! Ay, bakit ako malat na agad? ang wish ko sa iyo, dapat, sana lahat ng desires ng heart mo, bibigay ni Lord.
Uy,
Ba't may ganun mo si Mamalan?
ano ibig sabihin nun?
Para may isang
Paano nga
text.
ulit yun?
Ryan,
Yan.
ito muna si Baby Girl.
Yeah.
Mount Mayon? Mount Mayon. Happy birthday, Ate Main. Wish namin sa'yo lahat ay maging masaya lagi dahil deserve mo at nandito lang kami sa mga what if. What if. Love you. Thank you. Love you.
Laki.
More blessings and tawag dito more sa health, mas maging okay sa health mo lagi para mas marami ka pang mapasayang mga Dabber.
May sakit ba siya?
Thank you, Rep. Thank you, Rep.
Hindi sila kaya
Ano ka, Rep? Sila. Kala ko, Reper eh.
Ryan!
Yan, happy birthday, Main. And kami ni Ate Juday very happy na masaya ka. Tsaka proud kami sa fitness journey na sinimulan mo. Sana magtuloy-tuloy yan. We want you stronger and happier. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Kuya Ray and Ate. Shout out. Thank you.
Ate Main, happy birthday po. Ang ganda po ng pagkakanta namin.
Ang ganda, thank you.
Sabay-sabay.
Napahappy talaga ako.
Wish ko lang po sa inyo is sana masaya po kayo palagi. And ikaw po talaga yung nagpapasaya sa amin. And thank you for always looking out for us. Happy birthday, Ate Main. Love you.
Thank you, love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Main. Thank you so much sa pag-i-inspire sa aming lahat. At saka, thank you kasi sobrang giving mo. Na-inspire mo kami na maging katulad mo. Sana, sana maging masaya ka kung paano mo kami napapasaya.
Thank you, Daddy.
Anyong.
Wag mo kay ate. Wag mo kay ate yun.
Happy birthday, 누나, 메이 누나.
Pwede ka bang bumati in Korean?
생일 축하해, 메이 누나. 마raming salamat
Hindi,
sa...
Korean pa rin.
Ito rin? Wala pong translator dito.
Hindi, okay lang. Maganda kayo hindi namin naiintindihan.
Ako mag-translate.
Oh, yan.
세 개. 생일 진짜 축하하고 항상 나눠주는 에너지랑
Ano sabi?
Sana tuloy-tuloy yung pagiging masaya mo. Nakakaiyak talaga.
parang okay lang. Tagalog na lang. Maraming salamat sa support.
Ayaw na niya.
Tapos ng lakas, humor, na papasaya sa iba and to me as well. So hope you can share more fun and happiness to others and of course to you as well. Happy birthday.
감사합니다.
Tita
Main
Main.
Korean. Ay, Miles, Korean din.
Ako na lang.
Hindi ko kaya mamigil. Ate Ses, sa dami ng mga mahabang teksta natin, si ate ay hindi pala I love yung tao, but you have your own ways of showing your love sa akin, sa aming lahat. So, I appreciate you. Nandito lang ako, ate. Happy birthday. Love you.
Love you, thank you.
Naiiyak po si...
Tapos na.
Okay na.
Diyan ka pala. Sige.
I never expected this. Wow. Birthday. Wala na akong sabihin sa'yo. Keep up the good vibes palagi. Yung pagpapasok ka pala ng dressing room, sis! Ganon. Thank you so much doon. It brightens my day every day.
Wow.
And I
it
have
brightens my day.
I have nothing to say, just a happy life for you. Sige naman, nagabigat. Ano? Korean naman yun.
Okay.
Korean na.
Happy birthday,
Ikaw, boss,
ate.
wala ka pang message.
In behalf of Tito Sen and Paring Joey, isa lang masasabi namin. We love you, man. Stay happy.
Yes, yun eh. Main, meron pang mga babati sa'yo. Oo,
Meron ba?
Bukas sila darating. Hindi, ito. Main, panoorin mo.
Happy birthday, Main! Sana marami ka pang mapasayang tao. Lagi mong tatandaan kahit bihira tayo magkita-kita. Love na love ka na.
Happy birthday sa pinaka-favorite ko pang apat na kapatid and ayun, maraming salamat kasi nandyan ka palagi para sa akin at lagi mong tatandaan na pinagdadasal kita at nandito lang din ako lagi para sa iyo. Happy birthday, Ming!
Birthday, Bits! We're very blessed to have you in our lives and sobrang grateful kami doon. Thank you sa lahat and sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo Love na love ka namin and nandito kami palagi for you. We love you. Thank you. Mwah.
Hi, Meng. Happy birthday. Ang bilis ng panahon, birthday mo na naman. Imagine mo, 31 years old ka na. Alam mo naman ang wish ko sa'yo parate na good health, ang mga dreams nyo, sana matupad nyo lahat, magkaroon tayo ng masayang pamilya, at hindi magkakasakit ang lahat. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Meng! Enjoy your day. God bless.
Yan ang pamilya Mendoza. Napakagalang ng mga tao.
Mapagkumbaba, bossing. Mapagkumbaba.
Pag nagpapasintabi yung mga kapatid doon.
Sobrang baba.
Sa bansang Hapon yata pinanganak.
Wait. There's more.
Wow!
Meron pa,
there's
bossing.
more.
Pakinggan mo to.
Oh.
Makinig ka.
Hello, Nico Main. Happy birthday sa'yo. Alam mo, mula nung una kang makita ng mga Dabar Cats na bumaba ng sasakyan, ang layo-layo na ng narating mo. At alam kong malayo pa ang mararating mo. I wish that you always be happy, be healthy, and always eat. Ano, May? Na-miss mo ba ako? Anong gusto mong pasalubong? Nico May, happy birthday sa'yo. We will see you soon.
Tama ba yung dinig ko?
Parang
We will see you soon daw, bossing.
Hindi, yung pasalubong.
Pasalubong, bossing.
O baka mga gulay lang yun.
Men, happy birthday.
Thank you po, bossing. Bossing, thank you. Thank you po. Dabber Cats, Eat Bulaga family, maraming salamat po. Boss Joey, Tito Sen, maraming salamat po. Ma'am Jen, at sa mga Dabber Cats na kasama ko ngayon, iisa-isahin ko po sa silang lahat. Ian, Miles, Yul, Daryl, Karen, Kuya Rai, Lucky, Riza, Ma'am Alan, Direk Pucci, Ma'am Jen po, maraming salamat po ulit. At sa lahat po ng mga bumate, mga nakaalala po na birthday ko po ngayon, maraming salamat po. At dun po sa mga taong patuloy na naniniwala, nagtitiwala, sumusuporta at nagmamahal. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Bossing, thank you po. Thank you po. Salamat.
Iiyak si Main. Main, lalo kang iiyak kasi may isa pang babati sa'yo.
Bakit, Ma'am Alan?
Coco, anong masasabi mo kay Main?
Thank you, Coco. Pati Team Barangay. Kuya Jose, mga kuyas, Kuya Wally, Kuya Pao. Thank you sa inyo. Maraming salamat po, Dabber Cats. Sobrang ang saya ko ngayong araw. Simula pa lang po ng araw, pero pinasaya niyo na ako. Thank you so much.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
Happy birthday to
Main, hindi lang yan. Hindi mo pa alam kung gaano karaming cake sa labas. Halika, puntahan
Tara, puntahan
natin.
natin.
Surprise! Happy birthday, man!
Thank you, Dabber Cats! Pasalamatan natin ang mga taong
Susumama ni Coco.
hindi nakakalimot hanggang ngayon. Nagpapadala pa rin ng mga cakes. Maraming salamat. Dabber Cats, ito po, pasalamatan natin lahat from Main Cuties. Thank you, Ate Abe, salamat. Abe Halamans, Dr. Steve Martcan, JOC family, thank you so much. Bingo Plus family, maraming salamat. Friends for Maine, Solid Maine, Bulacan. Tita Pinky Fernando, thank you so much for the cake. This is from Halamans of Maine, salamat po. Tita Juliet, thank you. Maine Avenue Official. Attorney Leia and Riza, SMB. Nurse Riza Flor, Cakes by Miriam, thank you. From Doc Che, salamat po. Mainatix USA, Cristel, Earl, and Sophia, thank you. Maine Forever, Solid Maine United, Maine Forever Official, Maine Admirers Official, Maine Society Official, Maine Sirs, Super Mainians, and Maine Trend OFC. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po sa pag-alalay sa cake. Maraming salamat, Dabber Cats.
Oh, alam niyo na lunch natin, ha?
Cake.